Hi guys, welcome to Gold Collections. Just wanted to talk about a lovely piece that we've bought recently that's for sale. It is a Mont Blanc pen. It is called a Boheme and it has a retractable lid, and a special feature about this is it's got a sterling, it's made fully out of sterling silver, and it's got a lovely Azure gemstone fitted in there, and it appears such as this. It's a lovely piece. As you can see, it bears those famous trademarks from Mont Blanc. If you look here, it's got all the silver hallmarks. I think it says AG925 there, and it's also got some hallmarks. I think they stamp 925. So specifically, the reason why I wanted to do this is I bought this pen. However, I didn't have a box or instructions, and I think the watch is the pen is discontinued now. So I can't find the instructions. So if someone wants to buy this, then this is how you use it. So if you want to use the pen, you unscrew the top like this gently, so you don't want to damage it for no reason. And then what you do, you turn this bit here, which will allow the retractable pen fountain nib to come out. Might I add, this tip here is made out of 18 karat gold. That's another unique feature about it. But let me find a piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write with it. So I'll just write down obviously whilst I'm recording this is very difficult to write, so I've just written more. And then if you want to put it back in, you just unscrew this bit here, and that will obviously put it back. So I'm just going to show it again. So it's very simple, and then put the lid back on and screw it back. Now if you want to change the cartridge, what you need to do, it's got a hinged cartridge fitting, so you see here, you just put that down gently. So everything with this has to be done gently, and once you do that, you just unscrew it very gently, and there it is. And then you just pull this out and you can change the ink cartridge, but I'm just going to put it back. Yeah, so you put it like that, then you twist it back in, yeah, fully inside, then close the lid like so, and we're good to go. Just to let you guys know, this pen retails for around 15 to 1600 originally. That's what it did retail for. However, we've obviously bought it pre-owned, but it's in fantastic condition, and we would like £600 for it, which I think is a very good deal. 600 or 700, I can't remember, but it's on our website, so you're more than welcome to come and buy it. But yeah, I think it's one of the most beautiful pens I've ever seen. Thank you guys.